An empower, an engager, and a motivator are just three characteristics our teachers demonstrate in class every single day with their students. Hello everyone, I am Lucky Verma, currently studying in class 12th at Cbse Caps Academy. I joined this academy last year and I think this is the best academy for commerce. The team of professionals teaching here are very dedicated, passionate, and are full of enthusiasm. Our teachers teach us in such a way that learning became a fun for many of us. The concept clarities, the real life examples, the teaching techniques are just really awesome. Moreover, here a teacher becomes a friend to the student. They teach us so well that they rarely give a student to have doubts. Now, lastly, I would like to give an advice to the students who have done with their board examinations recently and are opting for commerce as their professional careers to join only Cbse Caps Academy and none other than that. Thank you.